What's up, entrepreneurs? It's Money Mindset here, and let me tell you, I am pumped for this one. We're diving deep into the world of Dubai's most successful entrepreneurs, the ones building empires and crushing it on a global scale. What if I told you that Dubai's most successful entrepreneurs didn't just get rich by chance? What if I told you that their secret weapons were more accessible than you think? We're talking about the real deal, the people who took their hustle to the next level and built something incredible. And you know what's even crazier? The resources they used aren't some exclusive club. You can access them right here in the USA. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the resources that Dubai's wealthiest entrepreneurs have used to skyrocket their fortunes, and guess what? You can use these same resources in the USA to build your own empire. So buckle up, because you're about to discover how you can replicate this success in a step-by-step process. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Building wealth takes more than just a good idea. It all starts with the right mindset. Dubai entrepreneurs aren't just business owners. They are relentless visionaries. They don't just chase money. They chase innovation, opportunity, and growth. That's the first lesson you need to grasp before you even think about making your first dollar. These entrepreneurs, they're cut from a different cloth. They see opportunity where others see obstacles. They embrace risk while others play it safe. And they understand that success isn't a straight line. It's about constantly adapting, iterating, and hustling harder than anyone else. Think about it. Dubai itself is a testament to this mindset. They built a global hub for innovation and luxury in the middle of the desert. That's the kind of audacity and vision we're talking about. So before you even start thinking about business plans and funding, you need to cultivate that Dubai mindset. Believe in your vision, embrace the grind, and never, ever give up. Remember, you're playing the long game here. This isn't about getting rich quick schemes. It's about building a legacy, creating something meaningful, and making a real impact. That's what drives the Dubai entrepreneurs, and that's what will set you apart from the competition. So are you ready to unlock your inner Dubai entrepreneur? Are you ready to step up your game and chase your dreams with everything you've got? Remember, this is your time. This is your moment. Go out there and make it happen. All right, let's talk about one of the biggest secrets Dubai's entrepreneurs use to their advantage. Government-backed free zones. Now I know what you're thinking. Government programs? That sounds boring, but trust me on this one. Dubai's government is different. They're not here to hold you back with red tape and bureaucracy. They actually want you to succeed. They've created these special economic zones specifically designed to help entrepreneurs thrive. We're talking about areas where you get massive tax breaks, zero import/export duties, and you get to keep 100% ownership of your business. Think about that for a second. No more giving away chunks of your hard-earned equity just to get started. In Dubai, you call the shots, and you reap the rewards. These free zones are like incubators for success, attracting businesses from all over the world. You'll be surrounded by other driven entrepreneurs, creating a dynamic and collaborative environment. And the best part? You can find similar opportunities right here in the USA. Many states offer tax incentives, grants, and other programs to support small businesses and startups. So do your research. Find the resources available to you and take advantage of them. Remember, the government can be your ally in building your empire. Let's be real. Building a successful business takes capital. You need money to invest in your ideas, scale your operations, and reach new customers. But here's the thing. Dubai's entrepreneurs aren't limited to local investors. They have access to a global network of venture capitalists, angel investors, and private equity firms, all eager to pour money into promising ventures. Why? Because Dubai has positioned itself as a global hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. Investors see the potential, the ambition, and the supportive ecosystem that Dubai has created. And guess what? You can tap into that same global network of investors, even if you're based in the USA. The internet has broken down geographical barriers. You can connect with investors from all over the world through online platforms, virtual pitch events, and industry conferences. The key is to build a compelling story around your business. Investors are looking for innovative solutions, scalable business models, and passionate founders who are in it to win it. So, polish your pitch, refine your value proposition, and start networking with investors who align with your vision. Remember, funding is out there. You just need to know where to look and how to sell your story. Advanced technology and infrastructure. Dubai is a city built on innovation. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, investing heavily in cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art infrastructure. We're talking about lightning-fast internet speeds, smart city initiatives, robotics, AI, blockchain, you name it, Dubai is at the forefront. And for entrepreneurs, this is a game changer. Having access to these advanced tools and technologies gives them a significant competitive advantage. They can streamline their operations, automate tasks, reduce costs, and scale their businesses faster than ever before. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not in Dubai. I don't have access to all that fancy tech. But here's the thing. Technology is becoming more accessible every single day. You don't need to be in Silicon Valley or Dubai to leverage the power of automation, AI, or cloud computing. There are countless affordable tools and software solutions available online that can help you level up your business. From project management software to social media marketing tools, the options are endless. So embrace technology, experiment with new tools, and find ways to integrate them into your business. Remember, staying ahead of the curve is crucial in today's fast-paced world. All right, let's talk about real estate, baby. Dubai's real estate market has been on fire for years, and it's been a goldmine for entrepreneurs who know how to play the game. We're not just talking about flipping houses here, although that's definitely part of it. Dubai's entrepreneurs are building empires through strategic real estate investments. Think about it. Dubai is a global tourism destination, attracting millions of visitors every year. That means there's a constant demand for hotels, vacation rentals, and commercial properties. Entrepreneurs are capitalizing on this demand by developing luxury properties, co-working spaces, and innovative retail concepts. They're creating spaces that cater to the needs of a globalized and discerning clientele. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and buy a skyscraper in Dubai, although if you can swing it, more power to you. But the principles of real estate investing hold true everywhere. Whether you're investing in residential or commercial properties, the key is to identify undervalued assets, add value through renovations or repositioning, and generate passive income through rentals or strategic sales. Real estate can be a powerful wealth-building vehicle, providing you with long-term appreciation, cash flow, and leverage opportunities. One of the most valuable resources Dubai offers entrepreneurs is its incredible network of mentors and collaborators. Dubai's entrepreneurial community is tight-knit, supportive, and always willing to lend a helping hand. They understand that a rising tide lifts all boats, and they're eager to share their knowledge and experience. From industry-specific meetups to lavish networking events, there are countless opportunities to connect with successful entrepreneurs, investors, and thought leaders. And let me tell you, the access to high-level mentors in Dubai is unparalleled. These are people who have built billion-dollar businesses, navigated complex markets, and achieved extraordinary success. They're eager to share their insights, guide aspiring entrepreneurs, and help them avoid costly mistakes. Now you might be thinking, I'm not in Dubai. How can I access these incredible networks? Here's the thing. You don't need to be in Dubai to build a strong network. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with people from all over the world. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and reach out to people you admire. You'll be surprised by how receptive people are to connecting and sharing their experiences. All right, entrepreneurs, it's time to break it all down into a clear, actionable path to wealth, inspired by the strategies of Dubai's most successful entrepreneurs. Step 1. Cultivate the Dubai mindset. Embrace risk, think big, and never give up. Step 2. Leverage government resources. Research tax incentives, grants, and programs designed to support businesses. Step 3. Seek global investment. Craft a compelling pitch and connect with investors worldwide. Step 4. Embrace technology. Utilize affordable tools and software to streamline operations and gain a competitive edge. Step 5. Explore real estate opportunities. Identify undervalued assets. Add value and generate passive income. Step 6. Network like crazy. Attend events, join online communities, and connect with mentors who can guide you. Step 7. Hustle harder than ever. Success requires relentless effort, dedication, and a burning desire to achieve your goals. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. There you have it, entrepreneurs. The secrets Dubai's entrepreneurs use are out in the open. As you can see, the resources Dubai's entrepreneurs use are available, and the path to success is clear. The key is understanding these resources and using them effectively. Whether it's through free zones, global investors, or cutting-edge tech, there's a way to make this work in the USA too. You don't need to move to Dubai to achieve extraordinary success. You have everything you need right here, right now. It's time to step up, take action, and build the empire you've always dreamed of. If you're ready to begin your entrepreneurial journey and use these resources to make your first $10,000, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. I'm rooting for you every step of the way. Now go out there and crush it.